No. No. No.
What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you liked that little intro. And I can assume you guys probably know what this video is more than likely about. And it's going to be obviously about my good old play button here. Right there. Good old YouTube play button that I received recently. And, you know, I made a video recently saying, you know, I had some plans with my play button. There's a lot of guys out there that, you know, done burnouts on them and shot them and blew them up and threw them away and ran over them with bikes and cars and tractors and tanks and whatever else. I want to do something a little different. So I asked you guys on YouTube what I should do with my play button. And a lot of you guys suggest that I give it away to a subscriber. And that was one of the ideas that I really liked, and I thought about that even before I made that previous video. And I'm actually really glad that you guys suggested that because, you know, it is something that I was looking forward to doing. So that's pretty much what this video is about. I am going to legitimately, no clickbait, no bullshit, give this actual true, not a fake one, but give this play button to a subscriber. I'm literally going to give this thing away. It's not going to be a fake one. I'm not going to have another one built that's not real. I'm going to give this actual true play button away to you guys. At least one of you guys out there. And I don't know. I mean, some of you guys might think that's a great idea. Some of you guys might not. I don't really care. But the thing about it is, guys, what you got to understand is I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful for what everybody out there has done for me and my channel, and to raise the bar, you know, to get me to where I'm at, to be able to get me this, you know, play button and stuff. And I know 100,000 subs isn't really a whole lot on YouTube, but to me it's a whole lot. And it's took me a year and a half to get there, a year and 4 months or something to get to that point and to receive this play button. So I figured the best thing I can do to thank every one of you guys out there, at least for the most part, one of you guys out there, was to actually give this play button away. And on top of that, I am going to sign this thing as well. So I will end up, you know, I don't know if I want to take it apart. I'm not really sure I want to take this play button apart. It'd be cool to like sign it. I don't know. It'd be neat to sign it like on the play button itself maybe. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I will take it apart and sign it on the inside. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll sign it just up in the corner or something on the plexiglass or anything of that nature. So I do, before we talk about this anymore, I do want to go over here and talk about Mitch. And I want to thank him for helping me out with this intro. If you guys enjoyed the intro, let me know. Mitch?
No.
Thank you very much for the intro, Mitch.
No
you did an
problem.
awesome job. You contributed to the cause.
I tried.
Which was freaking awesome. He's currently working on this beautiful C5 Corvette, which is loving us right now.
We're fighting a little bit right now.
We're fighting a little bit, but it does love us a little bit.
But we will find out.
We will find out. So he's going to continue working on that. I'm going to continue going back and talking to you guys about how we're going to give away this play button.
Take care, too.
All right, guys. So it took me a while to figure out exactly how I'm going to give away my play button. And I think the one thing I've come to the conclusion of is there's really no real way of giving it away, except for the fact of just making some sort of a stepping stone for myself, and hopefully for you guys to help me with that stepping stone. And what I've basically come up with is the way I figure it, I kind of figured maybe if you guys can get me to 200,000 subs, if you can share this video, if you can put it on your social media, your Facebook, post this video on Instagram, post this video on your Twitter and your Snapchat, anywhere, honestly, and try to get more and more people to come in on this little giveaway, that'd be great. Because I think what will happen is when I hit that 200,000K subscriber milestone, I guess you can kind of say it, at that point I'll pick a random subscriber off of the comments list in this video. So if you comment in this video, I subscribed, or hi Andy, or you can't build a car worth shit, or whatever you want to say, I don't care. I will pick one of you guys out there, one of you subscribers, your supporters, and I will give this play button to you guys, and it'll be signed as well. So that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not much to this video except for that. Get me to that 200,000, and somebody's going to be a very happy new owner of an actual genuine play button. Like I said, guys, and please believe me when I tell you, it's not fake. Like, this thing is real as real can be. I'm actually going to send you. Not only will I send you the plaque itself, but I'm going to send you the box. It'll come in the box. It'll come with the PO and all that stuff down there. I mean, pretty much it'll come with the letter. I'll sign the letter if you want me to. It doesn't matter. It's going to come with everything. Everything the way I got it is how this YouTube plaque is going to come to you. And I know a lot of you guys might be wondering, oh man, Andy, what are you doing giving away your YouTube play button to a subscriber? You're never going to be able to get one of those again until 1 million subscribers. You know, it's cool. I don't care. You know, it's fine. I had it. I enjoyed it for a little bit. It's cool. I'm going to take a picture of it, obviously, you know, and maybe hang it up on my wall. That way I have a picture of me holding my play button. That sounded weird. But, you know, this is my kind of way of giving back to you guys and thanking you guys for what you've done for me throughout the last year and a half. And that's why, you know, I don't want to give away a fake one or a reproduction or anything of that nature. I want to give away a real, the actual real one, guys, like the real one, and stuff. So, pretty much it. Maybe I'll, Mitch, what do you think? You think I should like include like a hoodie or a t-shirt or a hat along with the play button as well? Whoever might win it.
I would say a t-shirt or a hat would be ample.
On top of the play button as well?
You're getting a YouTube button.
I mean, you are getting a YouTube button. The only thing that I do request from anybody, that one individual that gets this play button from me, I do request that they take a picture of the play button with them, and, you know, whatever, maybe with their car if they're automotive enthusiast, and send that picture to me via email or something. That way I can post it on a video later on down the line. But that's the only thing I really request. Other than that, I mean, we're good to go, guys. I mean, who wants a play button? Who wants an actual true YouTube play button? Because there's one right here, sitting and ready to go, guys. Sitting and ready to go. So like I said, all you guys got to do, in all seriousness, is make a comment below saying that you subscribed or saying hi or whatever. Just comment, comment, comment. I don't care what you comment. I mean, don't comment like dots, but comment something about the channel, about yourself, about me. It doesn't matter, but comment something. Share this video everywhere. Try to get as many people involved as possible. Get me to that 200,000 sub count. It's only like 48,000 away, 47,000 people away. It's not a whole lot in realistic terms, but get me there. And once I hit that 200,000, I'm going to pick somebody in those comments, and this play button's gone. It's going bye-bye to a new home, to one of you guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment below for your chance to win that silver play button. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Thank you very much, guys, for all the support that you've given me. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for giving me the views and the subscriber count that I am at this very moment. I really appreciate it, guys. Deuces.